Everything you are begins here. DNA, RNA, the nucleic acids. They carry the codes that shape our bodies, determine our traits, and power our cells. But sometimes, these codes hold secrets, mistakes, clues, and today we follow one.
Doc, another peculiar one. All family in Kentucky. They're blue?
Blue? Let me see. How interesting.
There's no signs of poisoning or disease. They live normal lives. Just with bluish purple skin.
Skin color. Unaffected. Health. Entire family line. This is genetics.
So Doc, what do nucleic acids do?
Here, let us analyze it. DNA is a long chain of nucleotides: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. These letters form genes. Each gene is a recipe for a protein. It will replicate the DNA that will be transcribed to mRNA and will be translated into proteins. That's the central dogma of molecular biology. Some proteins are enzymes, tiny machines that control chemical reactions.
So, if the DNA has a typo, the machine breaks?
Exactly, and in the Fugate's case, I suspect one specific machine broke down. This is the gene CYB5R3. It encodes an enzyme called cytochrome B5 reductase 3. Its job is simple but vital. It converts methemoglobin, a faulty form of hemoglobin, back into functional hemoglobin. Methemoglobin has iron in the ferric state. It can't carry oxygen. Cytochrome B5 reductase reduces it back to ferrous hemoglobin, ready to deliver oxygen.
So, if that enzyme is missing,
The body builds up methemoglobin, less oxygen, and the skin turns blue.
But how did so many in one family inherit it?
It's a recessive mutation. Both parents must carry a mutated version of the gene. This is more likely in isolated communities, like Troublesome Creek, Kentucky, where cousins married unknowingly passing down the same gene. In this Punnett square, it shows 50% chance of a child with two mutated alleles. Martin Fugate, a French orphan, carried the mutation. He married Elizabeth Smith, who unknowingly had the same. 4 of their 7 children had blue skin. That's it, a mystery solved by nucleic acids.
But can it be treated?
Yes, the enzyme can't be replaced, but the effects can. Methylene blue, a medication, helps convert methemoglobin back to hemoglobin. In the 1960s, a doctor named Cowan gave it to a descendant of the Fugates. Her blue skin turned pink within minutes. A mutation in one gene, one enzyme, one blueprint error in the vast book of life. That's all it took. And through the lens of nucleic acids, what seemed supernatural becomes beautifully scientific.
DNA doesn't lie. It just waits to be read.